Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the signs of pancreas problems and foods that promote the health of this organ. The pancreas is a part of the gastrointestinal tract, located in the abdominal cavity and in contact with the duodenum. It is an elongated organ consisting of a head, body and tail, with a weight varying from 80 to 90 grams. The pancreas is the key organ responsible for the production of enzymes necessary for digesting food, and it performs both endocrine and exocrine functions. Before we get to the signs of its diseases, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with new content. Thank you in advance and enjoy watching. Problems with the pancreas today face many people, especially after abundant festive feasts. People often resort to digestive preparations containing pancreatic enzymes. Pathologies can arise due to an unbalanced diet, lack of movement, and genetic predisposition. There are several signs of pancreatic disease, which can vary greatly depending on the form of the disease. One of the first symptoms is pancreatitis. Most diseases begin with this inflammatory process, which can be acute or chronic. Symptoms of acute pancreatitis appear suddenly with severe pain in the upper abdomen, spreading to the back. The duration of symptoms can vary from a few hours to several days. The pain may increase with palpation and pressure on the affected area. The pain may radiate to the back and is often accompanied by nausea and vomiting with no relief. Acute pancreatitis may be edematous, infected or sterile. Chronic pancreatitis is a prolonged inflammation of the pancreas leading to irreversible changes in the organ. It is manifested by pain or persistent gastrointestinal dysfunction. Exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, or enzyme deficiency, is characterized by insufficient secretion of enzymes for the normal functioning of the digestive system. Left subcostal pain is another sign of pancreatic problems. If there are problems in this organ, a stabbing pain in the left subcostal region may appear, especially after excessive consumption of fatty foods, carbonated or alcoholic beverages. In addition, the color of the fecal masses may change, acquiring a gray tinge. Pain may occur in the morning after sleep and intensify when lying on the back. Problems in the work of the pancreas can lead to a disruption in the production of hormones and enzymes involved in digestive processes. This can cause severe stomach upset as foods are poorly digested, accompanied by nausea and vomiting. Elevated body temperature is often found with problems with the pancreas. Inflammatory processes in the organ usually cause a slight fever, but in infectious forms of pancreatitis it can be higher. Headaches and migraines are also common in people with pancreatic problems. This may be due to the distraction and concentration problems caused by the disorder of this organ. Tachycardia, hormonal and immune system disorders are the main causes of the increased heart rate that often accompanies pancreatic problems. When the organ is not functioning properly, it can secrete insufficient amounts of insulin, leading to a sharp drop in blood glucose levels and fainting spells. Weight loss due to improper pancreatic function can cause a decreased appetite or even a complete lack of appetite. This in turn affects the body weight, especially with the development of pancreatitis and other serious pathologies of the organ. Under the influence of hormones produced as a result of these diseases, the normal flow of nutrients into the body is disturbed. Digestive problems caused by a malfunction of the digestive system can be manifested by heartburn, abdominal bloating, constipation or diarrhea. In most cases, such problems with the pancreas are accompanied by a change in the stool, which becomes poorly colored and liquid. This may be the first signal that the body has difficulty processing the fats that come with food. Due to the fact that the pain often increases after eating, patients often try to restrict their diet, reducing the number of meals per day to a minimum. This in turn leads to weight loss and weakening of the immune system, reducing its defense functions. Against the background of these changes, a severe form of hypovitaminosis can develop, affecting the condition of hair, nails and skin. Liver problems can also be associated with malfunctions in the pancreas. Both organs perform similar functions in metabolic processes, maintaining biochemical and hormonal stability of the body. Their close proximity and interrelation play an important role in digestion, and malfunctions in the work of one organ can lead to pathological condition of the other. Symptoms of diseases of the liver and pancreas are similar, and in the early stages they are expressed weakly. Initial disorders of functioning are manifested by a feeling of discomfort in the area of their location, which can gradually be joined by a pain syndrome. To avoid risks to the pancreas, it is necessary to include in the diet products that support its health and functionality. For example, pumpkin is one of the most useful products for the pancreas and liver. This vegetable is rich in vitamins, minerals and carotenoids, which are powerful antioxidants that mitigate inflammation. Buckwheat is also considered an excellent food for the pancreas. High in protein, plant fiber and antioxidants, buckwheat helps to normalize digestive processes and eliminate harmful substances from the body. With problems with the pancreas, it is recommended to reduce the carbohydrate part of the diet and include in the diet dishes from buckwheat groats. Also, attention should be paid to enriching the diet with other products that contribute to the health of the pancreas. Regular inclusion of these products in the diet can help prevent various problems with this important organ. Apricots are dried fruits rich in natural sugars and phenolic compounds that block the processes that contribute to the development of metabolic syndrome. This reduces the likelihood of pancreatic diseases. Eating an organ of apricots is much easier than with confectionery. In addition, apricots contain fiber, partially blocking the absorption of fructose in the intestine, which reduces the load on the pancreas. Topinambar favorably affects the normalization of metabolic processes and the elimination of inflammation in the pancreas. The juice of this root vegetable prevents the development of diabetes and atherosclerosis, which is an important aspect in pancreatitis. Topinambar becomes a useful addition to the diet, helping to improve metabolic processes. Blueberries, in turn, are an essential product for people with diabetes. Tea from blueberry leaves and fresh berries help to reduce the concentration of glucose in the blood and stimulate the work of the pancreas. Blueberries are often included in various herbal mixtures that help to get rid of inflammation of the pancreas, cleanse the liver and improve bile secretion. In acute pancreatitis, it is recommended to consume blueberries in grind form, for example, twisted through a meat grinder and subjected to heat treatment in the form of boiling. This helps to avoid excessive strain on the organ and prevent exacerbation. Curcuma, with its natural anti-inflammatory property, stimulates the production of insulin, preventing the development of diabetes. It also prevents the formation of gallstones, which is one of the causes of pancreatitis. Red grapes containing resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from free radicals, strengthens blood vessels and reduces inflammation. This substance has a beneficial effect on the pancreas, preventing cell death in cancer of this organ. Sour milk, containing probiotics, strengthens the immune system and improves the function of the gastrointestinal tract. To maintain pancreatic health, it is recommended to consume low-fat sour milk that does not contain artificial additives. Including these foods in your diet will help maintain a healthy pancreas and prevent various problems with this important organ. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a like.